What's up? Welcome back to another dropshipping video. So recently I've been dabbling around with Facebook dropshipping because Amazon has been giving me some issues, but overall the experience with it has been good minus the few bugs. In this video I'm going to be showing you the process of how to manually upload products and search for products that may sell without using any software. So all of this data is free to use. It's a bit time consuming, but if you can grind it out eventually, you'll be able to make enough money to buy software to speed up the process. So first, let's start out with finding a supplier. For this example, I'm just going to keep everything simple and use Walmart. Since we already know our supplier, all we need to do is find successful products that have sold data so we don't waste our time listing dead products. The only way to find that out is going over to eBay and searching up people who are already dropshipping products from Walmart to eBay. The only way to find out who's using Walmart as a supplier on eBay is searching up Walmart private label brands. If you didn't know already, the main Walmart brand that almost every dropshipper should know by now is Mainstays. There's also Ozark Trail if you don't want to use Mainstays, because almost everyone is going to use Mainstays. But the main thing is you need to do is to find a Walmart dropshipper on eBay. Alright, so let's start. I'm going to type in Ozark Trail. We got 10 sold here, 55 sold here. I'm going to click on this dude. Looks like I've already clicked on him before. And click this guy. Alright, so he has 55 items. Just click. Alright, so what I like to look for when listing products is I like to look for products that have at least 15 sold. So this sold 55 times. This would be a potential product that I would list. This sold 78. This has 18 watchers. It sold 5. So I wouldn't list this because it sold 5. This one sold 0 times. So this one sold 20 times. This would be a product I would list. Sold 40. So yeah, basically anything that has a minimum of 15 sales. That's about it. If I can find it on Walmart and it has 15 sales, I'm going to list it. So here I would be listing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one's questionable. It's getting close to 15, but I may list that one. So I would list this one, not this one. Yeah, you get the idea. So that's basically that's my strategy with Facebook. I try to go for like volume with at least minimum proven sales history and volume, and it's been working so far for me. So that's my whole strategy. Alright, so it didn't really take me long to find a product. I'm just gonna randomly list this one. It's probably not gonna sell because with Facebook Marketplace you need to upload a lot to actually sell something. But in this video, I just want to show you like the general idea of how to do product research and how to list stuff on here if you're new. So I got this product right here. What I want to do is get all of the images from it. So you're going to get every single image and you're going to save it onto your desktop, because that should be easier to find whenever you're uploading it. Alright, so I got all the images. Now you want to head over to Facebook. On the left side, click Create New Listing. Item for sale. What I like to mostly do is just copy everything exactly on eBay, because most of the time the people already have like keywords in it. I mean, if there's like a bunch of random keywords in the title, you might want to delete some of them because it won't make any sense and it'll look weird. But this one doesn't really look that weird. It looks pretty optimized to me. So yeah, the title for this one, It's $169.99. This one's selling on Walmart for the same price. With Facebook Marketplace, I like to, every single product that I upload, I usually just add about 45% of the original price to it. And some of them do sell. They don't all sell, but some of them do sell. So I'm going to do that with this one. And I'm going to use a calculator because I can't do that math in my head right now. So hold on one second. Alright, so the price that I came up with was $246.49. That is pretty expensive for this. I don't think this is going to sell, but this is all for examples. What the... Forgot the point. I can't even put cents in. I'm just going to round it up to 246. For category, you can check it out on eBay. What did he have it as? Fitness equipment, sporting goods. Let's try fitness. No. What else is there? Fitness equipment, running, yoga, sporting goods. Let me see. If none of the stuff pops up, I usually try to find like a category that's pretty close to it. Or sporting goods, exercise and fitness. I'm just going to put other exercise and fitness. Condition, you want to put new. Description, just grab it from the eBay listing. Click copy. Paste that into here. I usually start out with 10 available quantity. I'm just checking the description, make sure it doesn't say anything about warranty, because I don't want stuff about that onto here. That's fine. Looks good to me. You want to hide it from your friends, and then upload the pictures. I'm going to rearrange them so it looks a little better. Yeah, that's good with me. Alright. Tags are optional. You can use them if you want. I'm going to just put stretching. Hopefully I spelled stretching right. Put massage. What else can we put back here? Therapy. See if I can pull out anything from the description. Second. Where was vertical massage pad? Put that in here. Alright. Looks good to me. Gonna click next. Alright, so for location, you can put whatever location you're in. I'm not in New York, but what I like to do is I like to put my location in like populated areas. So New York, I mean you could do California or like any like popular cities. I just choose New York because New York's a pretty big city. Location, yeah, New York. So delivery method, make sure it's shipping only. I'm not gonna go over how to create like shipping labels because there's some people who will lower their price and then they'll charge extra for shipping and their profit will come from shipping. But I'm just gonna make everything simple and just put free shipping and have everything already marked up on the main price. So yeah, total estimate pay would be $233.70 minus how much ever the product cost will be my profit. So next, and then publish. And there you go. Easy. One listing already posted on Facebook. Now you just gotta do this a lot of times. So that's basically how to manually list and do product research for Facebook dropshipping. Another thing to know about Facebook dropshipping is that you need to constantly and consistently list to succeed on here. Facebook Marketplace is basically a huge product test. The more you list and test products, the higher chance you'll find that one product that will gain traction and start selling multiple times. And when I say list, I mean like list a lot. I'm talking like at least 500 to like 1,000 listings to find some success. It's time consuming, but if you can grind it out and put in the time to build it, you'll make some sales. That's it for this video. If you've gotten any value from this video, be sure to hit that like button so my videos get pushed out to other people. And if it's your first time here, do me a favor, hit that sub button if you haven't done so yet, and I'll see you in the next one.